Hey everybody, welcome back to the Wolf Pit with another episode of What Are We Eating? Like Steve Harvey says, we got a good one for y'all today. And this What Are We Eating video is gonna be the most dangerous What Are We Eating video I've ever done. To say it's life-threatening might be a stretch, but realistically, in a worst-case scenario, it could have sent one of us to the hospital. And that's a fact, Jack. And you're gonna see exactly what I was talking about when we review the 19.5 ounce box of the new Totino's pork shoulder bacon and cheese scramble breakfast snack bites and the new 19.5 ounce box of Totino's sausage and cheese scramble breakfast snack bites. Each box contains 40 breakfast snack bites and costs $5.66. So let's go over the pork shoulder bacon and cheese breakfast scramble snack bites. Out of 121 reviews, they've received 3.3 stars out of 5. Here's the asinine novel-like list of ingredients. Nothing says highly processed foods like an ingredient list like this. Totino's would probably be better off making a list of ingredients that's not included. There's 4 10-bite servings per container. Each serving has 340 calories, 14 grams of total fat, 5 grams of saturated fat, no trans fat, 10 milligrams of cholesterol, 580 milligrams of sodium, 46 grams of carbohydrates, 2 grams of fiber, 3 grams of sugars, and 11 grams of protein. Now let's go over the sausage and cheese scramble breakfast snack bites. Out of 108 reviews, they received 3.1 stars out of 5. They also have an abnormally long list of ingredients. A serving size is 10 snack bites, which has 340 calories, 12 grams of total fat, 4 grams of saturated fat, no trans fat, 10 milligrams of cholesterol, 650 milligrams of sodium, 49 grams of carbohydrates, 2 grams of fiber, 3 grams of sugars, and 11 grams of protein. Now you can cook these the classic way in the oven or an air fryer, or the fast way in a microwave, or the crispy way in an air fryer. So my oven has an air fryer function, so I'm going to cook some in my oven using the air fryer function and some in the microwave. So here's 10 of the bacon and 10 of the sausage Totino snack bites, right out of the freezer and right out of the box into a pan and into the oven to cook according to the directions on the box. So here's our Totino's breakfast bites after cooking in the oven according to the directions on the box. So we tried the bacon scramble ones first, and when we squeezed them, they felt like a pillow full of air. Nothing really came out of them. So into the old pie hole and down the gullet they went. And once we bit into them, it was like biting into a pillow full of air, just like they felt. They had somewhat of an old, rancid bacon flavor to them, but the worst part about them was the crust literally tasted like cardboard. But I guess the good thing about it was some of it was crispy. Next we tried one of the sausage breakfast snack bites. And again, it felt like a pillow full of air, and it didn't look much better than the bacon ones. So into the old pie hole and down the gullet it went. After tasting a couple more of these breakfast snack bites, I'd had enough. At least the ones in the oven were terrible. Some of these foods are better cooked in the microwave. So we just took a couple more of these and squeezed them just to show you how little filling is in each one of these. There's not enough filling in these to fill a cavity. Now let's try the breakfast snack bites out of the microwave. And they look just like the ones out of the oven, however, they don't appear to be as light and airy, which makes them feel like they have more filling in them, which makes sense because the oven cooks longer and cooks drier than the microwave does, which evaporates the moisture inside these. So we tried the sausage breakfast bite first, and then the bacon breakfast bite. And the funny thing was, is they weren't much better than the ones cooked in the oven, but they were a little bit better until this happened.
Ouch, you bitch. What the fuck is that?
What?
Something stabbed me.
No, it didn't.
I swear to God, there's something in my finger. Can you see it?
Yes.
The fuck is that? Don't eat no more. Nicholas.
Show that on the screen.
I swear to God, I picked. You saw that, right?
Make sure you. Oh
Looks
my
like I'm
God.
just flicking the camera off, but
No,
the
that's
fuck
not
is
good.
that? I literally just picked it up
Get
and
it-
got stabbed.
Don't take it out yet. Get a paper towel and put it on the. Yes, my new camera girl, we'll call her Miss V, got shanked by something in the breakfast snack bite.
That's got me freaked out now. Don't need no more of those.
Yeah,
I'm not crazy. You
No, I
saw
see
that.
it. Yeah, I see it.
I thought I didn't know what the hell was happening.
They taste like asshole, seriously. Actually, I think probably tastes better.
Should have made with glass.
See if you can get that on the paper and
I
show
don't
it.
know that you'll be able to see it.
And then show the blood on your finger.
I can't even see. It's right here
Just hold it still. I can kind of focus it afterwards.
in front of my finger.
We couldn't really figure out what it was, but it kind of looks like a shard of glass. Alright, show the blood on your finger. Shard of glass, piece of metal, whatever, it was enough to draw blood. Whether you're a child or an adult, if you swallowed that, it wouldn't be good, I'm sure. So we fingered through a few more to see if we got shanked again. Fortunately, we did not. Since these are the ones that were cooked in the microwave, I'm assuming it wasn't a piece of metal, but rather a piece of glass or some other foreign, sharp object. In either case, regardless of the sharp objects in these, they weren't very good, and I'm not going to recommend the people try them. Thank you all very much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.